RF Star developed the Bluetooth key fob solution based on TICC 2340R5 SoC. And the entire architecture is as follows. The solution works with one upper monitor, one Bluetooth key fob designed with RF Star RFBM 2340B1 module, 3 Bluetooth anchors deployed on the left B pillar, right B pillar, and the rear of car respectively. Now let's watch the demo of Bluetooth key fob for passive entry and passive start. The car unlocks when the Bluetooth key fob is within 2 meters. The welcoming interaction is triggered within 4 meters of the car. The initial connection wakes up within 10 meters.